So guys, today I want to share something with you that I had no idea how to do, and it was very frustrating. So if you see how the wipers are recessed in here, when I wash my car I like to put these things up, but if you notice you can't lift them up like that because they're kind of pinned under the hood here. I didn't want to force them up because they're on a motor, so you don't always want to pull them out. So there's actually a trick so you can put it in service mode. So you can flip the wiper arms up. So you can either change the wipers if you need to change the blades, or when you wash your car. So let me share this with you. So like I said, I didn't know this, but what you do is, okay, you're going to turn your wipers on, okay? So you see that they're on now? So now if you turn it off, they just go back down. Some cars, when you turn them off, it'll stay up like that. Not this car. So here's how you get them in service mode. Okay, we'll turn them on here. Okay. Okay, you see that? You hold the stalk up when they're on and keep holding it and turn the engine off. Or not the engine, the power off to it. And now they'll always stay up in the far left-hand corner. Now they're in service mode. So now, the way that they're designed, now they pivot out. So it's a little different. See how these are straight up? Now they pivot this way. They pivot out. Now you wash your car, clean your window, and you're good to go. Like I said, I did not know that they were designed like this. I actually would clean my car for a couple months before I figured this out. And it was frustrating because you could barely move the wiper to try to clean underneath it. So then you just put them down. When you're done cleaning, go back inside, push the power button like you're going to. See the stalk? Push it up, and it's gonna lower them back down. And now they work like normal. So really easy, but a different sequence than normally just having them stay down and being able to pull them away from the car to clean. Now there's a little sequence you have to do. Like, it's not hard. You just push up on the stalk and hold it up as you turn the car off, and it'll keep them up in service mode. So like I said, you just hold it like that and then turn it off, and then push it up one time when you're done, and it'll lower them back down. So I just want to share that with you. I thought it was pretty neat. If you didn't know about it, it's an easy way. Like I said, come time to change the wiper blades, you'll know how to do it and not be fighting with it or bending stuff trying to get those out. So again, let me know in the comments if you guys knew about that. Like I said, it took me months to figure that out, but again, if I read the owner's manual, I'm sure it's in there, but a lot of us don't do that nowadays. So I hope everyone's doing good. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.